Sometimes the best things in life really are free. I'm on a site here called Tom Chalky, and there's a section here for free downloads. Now, there's a bunch of stuff here that costs money, and they're really high quality, things like fonts and graphics packs. But if you're interested in just sampling, I'm going to show you how in this video. I'm going to go up here to the free downloads button. And we can see here we've got Chalky's free design bundle, and you just need to type in your email and then you can download this. So that's what I'm going to do now. So pretty quickly you'll get an email and it looks just like this. Nice to meet you, and you need to just verify that you're a human being. So you're going to have to click this blue box that says verify your email. And then from here you get to this cool super secret free downloads portal. I love this. We've got 28 skeleton illustrations. We've got a grit and grunge brush pack, a pedal brush font. In fact, we've got a ton of free things, and I'm just going to click on this skeleton illustrations to check it out here. There's these little download links at the bottom, these blue boxes. So I'm going to click the download button. And then once you download it, you're going to get this zip file. And then you just select a folder on your personal computer and you can download your zip file. Here's what the zip file looks like. I'm going to double click it and it opens up a bunch of PNG files and then a bunch of vector files. Okay, I've opened up one of the vectors inside of Inkscape, so we can see here this isn't true vector. When I click on edit paths by node, we can see there's a bunch of different vector nodes inside the design. So you could actually edit this if you want. So for example, you could go here to the eyes and you could click on edit paths by node. You could actually extend these, modify them, whatever you'd like to do. So these are true working vectors and they're very high quality. These look like prehistoric skeletons. Awesome. There's also a bunch of fonts inside the super secret pack as well. And I've talked to friends about this over the years and they've said they're intimidated by downloading fonts. It's actually super simple. So what you want to do, pick a font. So in this case, I'm going to do the Hectra free font and I'm going to click the blue download button. Okay, and once you go into Microsoft Windows Explorer, you'll see a zip file where you've downloaded your font. In this case, it's a zip folder. You just want to double click the zip folder and you're going to see open type fonts. Sometimes you'll see true type fonts. It's pretty easy to install these. What you do is just simply hover over the one font that you want to install, right click, and you'll copy. Now in this case, I'm going to copy both. So I'm going to hold down the Shift key that highlights both. I'm going to right click and I'm going to copy. I'm going to move outside of my zip file. So I'm going to go back into my folder that I set up and I'm going to right click and paste. So you just want to move the font files outside of the zip file. From here, pretty easy, you just hover over the font that you want to install, right click, and you can just say install. Now you may get a little pop-up window for a second or two that says installing, but that's it. Now this Hectra is now installed on my computer. And now you can just open up any application. In this case, I have Word, and I'm going to type in basic Word here, and I'll highlight it. I'll make it nice and big. Now I'm using Calibri font, but I want to change that font. So now I'm going to simply select my fonts and I can scroll on down and see all the different fonts that I have installed, and I'll look for the font that I just installed. And so here's my two fonts. I've got Hectra Regular and then I've got Hectra Bold. So I'm going to go Hectra Regular. That's going to make this font look pretty amazing. And then if you want to bold it, you can either select the bold button or you can just select the bold font. So here I've selected the bold font. I think that looks really cool. What a unique font, and it's great for commercial use too. I'm a big fan of free and I'm a big fan of high quality, and Tom Chalky stuff is really high quality. So make sure to check them out. Here's another video on getting some free stuff and having some fun doing it. Thanks a lot for watching.